Taking inspiration from the best of our entire Z490 motherboard lineup, the new ASUS Prime Z490-A sets a whole new standard of pristine. With an integrated white I/O shield and multiple brushed aluminum heatsinks, this board is certified fresh. Under those brushed aluminum heatsinks, you'll find a 12+2 teamed Power Stage VRM design with integrated circuitry that delivers a solid, efficient, and cool running foundation for 10th Gen Intel Core CPUs. A 6-layer PCB underpins that VRM with plenty of copper for improved passive cooling. To the right of the CPU, you'll find 4 DIMM slots that can drive capable DDR4 sticks at up to 4600 MHz and take in as much as 128 GB of memory. 2 M.2 slots are able to fit in SSDs as long as 110mm. What's fresher than that? How about 7 fan headers with AI cooling? New technology that automatically lowers fan speed to achieve the quietest possible system under sustained load. Or, how about our exclusive AI overclocking intelligence that automatically configures the optimal clock speed and voltage to effortlessly boost your CPU performance? The rear I/O panel includes 4 USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports in both Type A and Type C form factors, a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port, and analog and optical audio outputs powered by a premium Realtek S1220-A codec that gives you crystal clear audio for calls, music, or gaming after hours. ASUS exclusive AuraSync RGB lighting brings that fresh, pristine vibe together. Extend your unique color scheme with 2 addressable Gen 2 headers and 2 standard Aura RGB headers. Build fresh with the new ASUS Prime Z490-A motherboard.